What you need to do is you just ask your server people that here you have this screen, right? All of you. So in this favorite section, you need to have this SAP Fiori Launchpad. OK, this is the SAP Fiori Launchpad. That means nowadays most of the clients are using cloud, right? In that particular cloud, for posting any invoices and all, for end user activities and all, they are using SAP Fiori. OK, so this is the Fiori. I'm double click on it. OK, so here I'm just giving the password, username and password, all of you. So we are going to log on into this SAP Fiori. OK, that is very, very important in somewhat sessions. OK, the thing is that maybe it is in a slow mode process and all. Connection has been lost. Yeah, give me 1 second. OK, good. So this is the screen, all of you. Now, in real time, the thing is that transaction codes will not going to work. OK, you will not going to have any transaction codes in SAP Fiori. I mean, until you have the access for the particular transaction code, and at the same time, basis consultant should give the access. And at the same time, OK, right. So here, all of you, suppose we have the transaction code that is defined company code, right? What is the transaction code for the defined company? OX15. Now, if I give the OX15 in demo server, it will going to give you. But when it comes to the somewhat like any IBM SAP NetWare or any real-time process of the particular service and all, OK, you will not going to get, I mean, user will not going to get the transaction code access. So they just have the access for the theory, like I will show you. It is taking too much time, and at the same time in real-time servers also it is taking too much time. OK, give me 1 second. Here I'm just giving define company. It is not giving suggestions. Suppose define what is it? Define internal trading partners. Correct. So this data is logged by another user. Give me 1 second, all of you. So try to practice in SAP Fiori. Nowadays they just ask you those questions on the Fiori, not on SAP Easy Access and on. OK, and that is very, very important, all of you. I will show you what are all the changes that we have made in our company. I mean, I'm working with the Do's and Bobcat. Okay. In the do's and Bobcat, what are all the real-time process that we have, I will show you. And what are all the test cases that we have, I will also show you that also. And at the same time, I will also show you open text tool and how they are managing those things. And at the same time, if I have the access, I will show you. And I will show you the vendor invoice management tools also. The thing is that how the third-party invoices will be uploaded in the SAP Fiori. That is very, very important, and that is not at all important for consultants. That is mainly related to the end users. It is taking too much time. Okay, so basically all of you, I will show you here in this thing. Okay, so I just take this screenshot. Okay. All of you, whenever you are taking the server, ask them to provide this SAP Launchpad, Fiori Launchpad also. Okay. I will send this and messages. Okay, all of you, this is very, very important. Try to ask the server people, they will provide you. You got my point, right?